Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title: The Hierarchical Packet Forwarding Mechanism for Energy Harvesting Wireless Sensor Networks. Let's see the abstract. Energy efficient wireless sensor network is created with the clustering technique for reliable communication. For clustering approach, an efficient algorithm known as the artificial bee colony algorithm is proposed. This algorithm uses the inspiration of honeybees and performs the packet transmission between the clusters. The performance analysis of the proposed system show efficient result in the throughput, energy and packet delivery ratio. Now see the flow diagram of our project. First, the network formation is done. In that, the number of sensor nodes are deployed in the transmission range. Then, the cluster is formed with the number of nodes. It uses the artificial bee colony algorithm for the cluster formation and the cluster head election. If a node has a high energy, it is elected as the cluster head, or else it is a normal node, that is a cluster member. After that, it provides the data communication processes between the clusters only through the cluster head, and the performance is analyzed with the existing system. Let's see the running procedure of our process. First, open the terminal window and go to the directory where we have the code. Then type ns space file name.tcl. Code 50 nodes is created and the coding is running now. This is the network animator window. Here only we can see the simulation result. To run the simulation, click the play button. We can speed up the process using this. Now the nodes are deployed in the transmission range. After that, the clusters are formed in the network. So center is the base station. Then now the cluster head is selected for each cluster. And then the cluster members communicate with the cluster head, and then the cluster head will communicate with the base station. This is done by using the artificial bee colony algorithm. By this algorithm, the cluster is formed and the cluster head is elected. So, if a source node generates packet, first it forwards to the cluster head. If the destination node is in the same cluster, then the cluster head will transfer to destination. Else, it transfers to the cluster head where the destination is placed, and then it forwards to the destination. The overall network is handled by the base station. So the cluster head forwards the data to the base station, and the base station will forwards to the destination. This is the concept for the clusters. Here we are using the sensor network. Hence, all the nodes are the source nodes and the base station is the destination. Here, the source node, that is the source node generates packet and then it forwards to the cluster head instead of send data to the base station. Then the cluster head forwards to the base station. The base station receives the data and send acknowledgement to the cluster head. These processes are done by using the algorithm, that is artificial bee colony algorithm. If you're not having the data, it is in the wake up state and then forwards data to the base station. Else, it simply stays idle. We see the performance of this network in the graph. So, to see the graph result, back to the terminal window and type GNU plot graph name dot plot. This is the graph for the packet delivery ratio. Here, the number of nodes are plotted in the x-axis and the packet delivery ratio is plotted in the y-axis. The existing PSO algorithm have less packet delivery ratio in the network, but our proposed ABC, that is artificial bee colony algorithm, have higher packet delivery ratio. To see the another graph, GNU plot graph name dot plot. This is the throughput graph. The number of nodes is varied and is calculated the throughput for these nodes. It is measured in megabits per second. The proposed artificial beacon and ABC algorithm have a higher throughput than the existing PSO algorithm. Hence, now our ABC algorithm will increase the performance of the overall network.